Welcome to Tampa, a vibrant city on Florida's Gulf Coast, known for its skyline, culture, and waterfront charm. Downtown Tampa sits along the eastern edge of the Hillsborough River and flows into Tampa Bay, offering stunning waterfront views. Downtown is Tampa's financial and business center, home to major companies, banks, and tech startups. Watch as boats glide through the Hillsborough River. It offers everything from pleasure boats to dinner cruises. At night, the skyline is lit up with color-changing lights and LED reflections on the river, making it one of Florida's most photogenic cities. Sitting right on the waterfront, the Tampa Convention Center blends sleek, modern design with open-air spaces and scenic river views. Downtown is a cultural hotspot, featuring the Strass Center for the Performing Arts, Tampa Museum of Art, and the historic Tampa Theater.